guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the ADIDAS TERREX Voyager 21. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. Try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. And just want to take this time, as always, to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we weren't able to do this. So big thank you. Let's get into it. So today, we've got to look at the ADIDAS TERREX Voyager 21. And we got this in a UK size 8, it's European 42, and it is a US size 9. Now, I love the box that it comes in. You've got this like really old school 90s Adidas vibes. You can't really see it if you can see it in the camera, but it's the Adidas logo here. Let's get opening, and here we are. Look at that. I've never seen an Adidas trail shoe, if I'm honest. TERREX is their trail line, and it's great to see that they've adopted a trail running model for their running sneakers. So let's get into the specs. If we look at the outsole, it's an all rubber outsole. You've got Adidas's traction. Get that, if you get it, spelled with an X, traction. Anyways, you got the lugs here. Very reminiscent of a lot of trail running sneakers. There for the traction, the name's there in the bun, and there for your grip. You don't want any slippage when you're running in any kind of slippery terrain, mud, whatever you're running in. Moving along onto the midsole. So this midsole is a EVA unit. I wish that Adidas, for their running sneakers, especially probably for these terrain sneakers, I wish they added like a Boost technology, at least just a little on the midsole. I'm a big fan of Boost, and it's such a shame they've wasted a great opportunity to add one of their greatest technologies into this sneaker. But maybe it damages the way that you run off. I'm not sure. I don't really know. I'm not from Adidas, so I'm just here to give you my thoughts and feelings about these. Let's look at the upper. So on the Adidas website, it claims that this is made out of recycled materials. Unfortunately, I don't know which parts of the upper are recycled, but just to ease your thoughts, there are recycled materials in these sneakers, which is great to see that a big brand like Adidas are putting towards. Now we look at the upper here. So if you look where this synthetic leather, it's got the Adidas TERREX logo at the heel. I really like the way that the font is like there, and how the font is basically, it's just really nice, it's bold, reminds me of the 90s kind of aesthetic that is new in fashion. Well, not new, it was around in the 90s, but it's reclaimed its throne. Now we look at the upper and the toe box around the mudguard area. You've got this synthetic suede material just underneath it. You've got the mesh, all synthetics again, breathable, keeps your feet nice and ventilated when you're running. Where would you be without an Adidas free stripe? So it's heat pressed here in the synthetic materials as well. And what I love about terrain running sneakers is a lot of them have this bungee lace cord system. So it's easy, all you have to do is get them up, tighten it with the little cord here, fasten it, and you're off, you're ready. Quick and easy, great to go. And again, I just want to marvel again at the Adidas TERREX logo that's found on the tongue. Little pull tab system on the tongue as well. Let's look at the heel. So the heel counter is surrounded by the synthetic material again, and there's not a pull tab unfortunately, but you've got a nice padding for your heel here. Insole, all synthetic materials. You've got the TERREX and the Adidas, nice orange to complement the orange on the laces. And just holding on to the laces, you've got a knit holding in this like turquoise blue colorway. That rounds off my sneaker review. These sneakers are incredibly light. You're gonna have to take my word. Unfortunately, I can't weigh it for you guys right now, right here. But yeah, I can't wait to try these on. So roll that footage of me trying these Adidas Terrexes on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true Adidas fit. I am size 8 for Adidas, so that's why I got this nice. Toes are where they need to be. Now, I don't know if you caught winds, but when I was trying them on, they were so easy to slip on, quick and easy to lace up with the bungee cord. Just pull, tuck it in, done. And honestly, guys, these are really, really comfortable. However, what I am worried about is the upper. It looks really flimsy, and if I'm going to be running in trail, if I'm going to be running through the forests, any kind of woodland area, I'm afraid that this is not very supportive. I think that it's going to break. In regards to other trail runners that we've done in the past, Salomons, ACGs, they felt more sturdy, felt the upper was a bit more protective, whereas these, I feel like they're going to break. But apart from that little thing that I'm worried about, it might not ever happen, so keep that in mind. It's just a worry that I have. Other than that, these are really comfy, despite there not being any technology in the midsole. But if you want to make it amazing at Adidas, please incorporate the Oneupreviewz technology if you can. If anyone from Adidas is listening or watching, take notes. Guys, if you're looking for an on-trend trail runner, I highly recommend these Adidas. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.